Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add borders to images in GetStencil. Adding borders to images in GetStencil can help enhance the overall design and make a design stand out. Whether you are designing for social media, email banner or any other project, borders can add a neat finishing touch to your visuals. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to GetStencil and log in to your account. Now, go to the Photos tab to add a background image, or you can also upload it on your own. Currently, GetStencil doesn't have a specific border option for image, but you can easily create one by adding a shape behind the image. Here's how you can do it. Go to the Icons tab and select this icon. From here, adjust it to your liking and make the shape longer. Now we can duplicate these icons. Put it in the top of your image and in the bottom. And also put it on the both sides by making it vertical. Make sure the image and logo is centered with the border shape or adjust the position to your liking. If you want the border to be pronounced, you can increase the thickness of the shape or adjust the opacity for a softer effect. Now save your design in GetStencil by clicking on Save. To download the image with the border, click on Download button and choose the desired format. By following these steps, you can easily add borders to your image in GetStencil, creating a more polished and professional design. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.